Academic coaching helps students identify their strengths and weaknesses, then devises a personalized study plan. Academic success coaches are available to meet with you one-on-one. All coaching sessions take place online or over the phone. Give it a try and schedule an appointment today. Making an appointment with Academic Success Coaching is easy to do. First, visit our Tomas Rivera Center webpage at utsa.edu/trcss/. Next, locate the Academic Success Coaching tab, scroll down to Academic Coaching, click, and it'll take you straight to the Academic Coaching page. There are 3 ways to make an appointment. First, you can contact a member of our reception team by visiting our virtual office, and you can do so by clicking here. They are more than happy to help schedule an appointment for you. The second, probably easiest way to make an appointment with us is to fill out our academic coaching request form. Simply hover over the link, click, and it'll take you straight to the form. We ask for basic contact information, but most importantly, we ask for your availability. So have a couple of days and times of the week in mind that work for your schedule. A coach will then confirm your appointment with you via email. The third and final way to make an appointment with us is to give us a call at our phone number listed here, area code 210-458-4694. A member of our reception team will work with you to find a date and time that works best for your schedule. Don't wait until it's too late. Coaches enjoy meeting students and are eager to share study skill strategies so you can improve your academics. We look forward to meeting with you. Go Runners!